At Rheinmetall, we don't wait for change, we help build it. From welders to vehicle painters, assembly techs to mechanics, you don't just work with your hands, you provide skills and knowledge. You are shaping capability. Every part you craft, every job you finish, supports the people who depend on it. You're not just building vehicles, you're building trust and survivability. The world is shifting fast. Our responsibility is to stay ahead through implementation of innovative skill sets, knowledge and quality. Your skills build trust, and trust builds the future. Make your skills and knowledge the benchmark for capability and survivability. Build something that matters.